Hey everybody. Today we're going to look at the text HTML module and how you can use it within SirGo. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text HTML module. So I'm going to click on the plus sign next to the text HTML module, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on add. What will happen is it'll add it to the screen, to your page now. Now, what you'll notice is that by default, we've got some text in there, a default image, um, and a title there and stuff. You're going to want to change all that stuff. Right off the bat, you're going to notice that right up in here, there is two buttons, delete and edit. If you click on delete, it will actually delete the actual module. We don't want to do that right now, so the other one is edit. So if you click on edit, it will bring up another window, which is the edit window. And you're going to notice that there's a WYSIWYG editor inside of there. And you can take this module, this actual form, and move it around. You can click down here. You can resize it. You can resize the actual WYSIWYG editor that's in here. You can do all kinds of things. The one thing to note is that down here you can actually browse and add in a image. I'm just going to grab an image that we've got off the site here and stuff. Let's put an ant in there, okay? So I'm going to upload that photo. So now the photo has been uploaded into it. I want to give my text HTML module a title. So this is a, well, let's make it nice. This is a very nice ant. And then inside of here, we can resize. Inside the actual WYSIWYG editor, there's a lot of functionality that you can do. You can switch back and forth. You can go to the basic text box, or you can have your rich text editor. If you go to the basic text box, you're going to be able to just put in whatever you want. With the rich text editor, it is WYSIWYG, which stands for what you see is what you get. So, for instance, if I wanted to type in something like this ant was walking around yesterday, and I wanted to make yesterday in bold, I can bold it, and I can change the color of it. And let's put it in green, and let's make the background a nice light yellow, and you'll see that it actually did it right in there and stuff. I've also got the ability inside of here to do things like insert images out of my gallery. If I've already uploaded photos into the system, I can pick and choose from those photos. Before you weren't able to actually do that. Now you can. So if I click on the gallery here and stuff, what's going to happen is that it's going to actually load up what we call the image gallery module within the text HTML editor, and you're going to see all of your images. And you can scroll, you can either click on next, or you can go through to whatever you want, all those kind of things. You can see that we've got various things in here, images that we've put in here at one time or another. So let's choose, I don't know, let's choose one of the iPhone app images. You'll see that it actually put it in there, and the nice thing about this is we can actually resize it if we want to. So I could take this and I could squish it down. I could take it and squish it and make it so that it looks like it's a little bit better than what it's supposed to. So you see, you can actually resize things and make it actually look nice. The other thing too is that if you want to actually upload images, you can go into the insert image section and you can click on upload and upload them. You can also select multiple ones. You can change all kinds of different properties inside of here. You've also got the ability to upload Flash. If you wanted to actually upload some sort of Flash in here, you could. You can upload media, so if you wanted to put in a video of some kind, you can also upload documents like Word documents, zip files, anything other than like standard web stuff like HTML and stuff like that. So you can do a lot inside of this editor. You can also go through, and if you wanted to change the size of the text, you can choose the font. You've got various options. So if I chose Georgia and then I said, okay, I wanted to make the size to be really large, you can see that we can do all that stuff. You've also got the ability to add in little things like emoticons and stuff like that. So you can click inside of here and choose like your emoticons and whatever you would like to do. There's a lot of really neat stuff. So the other thing too is that you can create links. So if I wanted to click on insert a hyperlink in here, I could start up the hyperlink module, and I could say, let's say we're going to go to, I don't know, let's go to Google. So there you go. So now we now have this as a link. So what you're going to notice now is that now that I've done all this work inside of here, laid it all out the way I wanted it and stuff, I can now just click on save, and it's going to create everything that I put in there. So that's essentially how the text HTML module works. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please check out the other ones for the different sets of functionality. Thank you very much. Bye now.